What we're going to cover briefly in this tutorial is how to insert content into the content manager for the website. Might seem pretty straightforward, but I'm going to show you what one of the biggest headaches is that most web designers will have. Somebody will write up some content, for example, simple bit of text with a new line there and a new paragraph. So in true Blue Peter fashion, here we have one, and it looks nice and neat. We can copy that. We could even change the formatting. Let's change it. There we go. And we'll change the size as well. Oh, it's pretty straightforward, doesn't it? So we're going to copy that. We're going to go over to the website and the content manager, in this case K2, and make a new item. Now, I don't have an editor switched on by default, but my users do. You will too, and you'll get this editor bar here. So what we're going to do is just right click and paste the content in. Whoops. There we go. Insert. And it looks reasonably similar to how it looks on the website. However, there's some hidden code at the back that is the part that causes me and every other web designer in the world a real headache. Watch this. I'm just going to switch to code view. So instead of just having a nice clean paragraph tag, I've got a paragraph tag with a class Western, style margin bottom, then font formatting, before I even get to the first line of text, which is a bit of a ball ache, because if you think about it, every time you copy and paste code into the editor, what you're going to find is that for every line of text there's an additional line of code, and that causes a problem not just for the editor but also for the web designer and for the search engines, because the search engines see this. They don't see this, what we see. They actually see this. So they're going to see this and they'll know that you're forcing a particular design into the paragraph, which is perfectly fine, but it will take the search engine just that little bit longer to index the content. And we have what's called a CSS file that controls all this. So what I'm going to do is delete that, go back to the editor, and instead of right clicking and selecting paste, I'm going to hold down Control, Shift, and then V. What that does is it takes the content that I've just copied and Control Shift, just highlight all of that and get rid of it again, Control plus Shift plus V, pastes the text in exactly as it appears in the article, but with no formatting. And I'll show you what I mean by that. If we go to the code now, you'll see there's a nice clean paragraph tag there, a line break there, and the closing paragraph tag. The new paragraph has the opening paragraph tag and the closing paragraph tag. Nice clean code. And when we save that, it will appear in the website exactly as we intend it to appear. Hopefully that helps. Any problems, just get in touch.